Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Good afternoon to everyone. I hope you all are fine. So, today, the topic of our discussion is one of the very key aspects of our life, that is, the dilemmas, the problems, and the challenges which we face regarding our career opportunities, our career goals, what we want to do in our life, what are the prospects for us in our life. We have a lot of confusion regarding the ways in which we can find a better career opportunities for us. And trust me, if you are a good student or if you have a good educational qualification, like you have qualified with a good percentage of marks, then you will face this dilemma even more, because many people have different ideas and different options for you, and this will create a hell lot of problems for you, because you will not have a clarity to how to choose your goal. Just as you can see from the graphic, it shows that the person is standing, he want to move in the life, but you can see a lot of zigzag paths, a lot of inputs from the family, from the society, from your friends. Everyone will give you that you become the engineer, you become doctor, you become cricketer, you become player. And these type of feelings, if you are not strong or if not clear in your mind that what we should do, then it brings a lot of confusion in our mind, and it's a situation of extreme stress. Because if you feel that if you will listen to your father, then your mother will be sad. If you listen to your mother, then your uncle will be sad. If you don't listen to both of them and you listen to your friends, then they will say that my son is not listening to our dreams. I want my son to fulfill that dream for me. So these are the certain dilemmas which we generally face. Thus, in such a situation, my dear friend, you must trust one thing. Whatever the people say, you must listen to them. But the most important thing is you must do your analysis. Now, point is that how will you do your analysis? There is a simple technique to it. We call it in the management terms, that is called the SWOT analysis. What is that? It's a simple concept where you have to close your eyes. You have to give some time for yourselves. You don't have to give only time for the people in front of you. But as an individual, you must first focus on yourself. You must close your eyes. You must feel that what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. You must feel that is there any task or is there any work which I could do endlessly and tirelessly for a long period of time? Is there any work which makes me motivated for a long period of time? It can be anything. The biggest problem in our society, you know what? That we treat things differently. We create the image of things like this work is good, engineering is good, arts is not good, medical is good, general human studies is not good. These type of concepts generally create a confusion in our mind, because we start to look in the future whether we have job opportunities in this field or not. No guys, this is the wrong approach to deal with you. You must first of all introspect your strengths and weaknesses, and accordingly you will find that yes, even if I have performed good in my studies, but I don't think that I can study for a long period of time. So you must focus any career opportunity which will make interest in you. And believe me, at that stage of time when you choose something which is quite unique, you will be alone in your phase of life. Even your parents, even your people, even the neighbors will not be standing in front of you with you saying that what the hell opportunity are you choosing, man? So this type of situation will appear in your life, dear. But you must be strong. You must focus on what you want to do, and you must feel that yes, this is the thing which makes me happy in doing. So just focus on the things. You must have clarity regarding that there is no work which is small or less. Every work has equal weightage. The point is that The amount of labor, the amount of perseverance, the amount of dedication you put in that work will decide the success for you. The biggest misconception which we have been socialized is that this work is good, this work is bad. This work has better opportunities, this work has less opportunities. No guys, this is not the case. Any work which seems to be boring, any work which seems that it does not have a bright future, but you as an individual, if you have interest in doing that work for yourself, if you feel that yes, I can tirelessly work on this aspect for a long period of time, that work will be the most demanding work for you, and you will be revered in the entire society because you have created your own niche for that aspect. So guys, concluding the dilemma, you must have a clarity that life is small. Life will give you chances, few chances, and you must try to capitalize on them. Just focus on your goal. Keep working on it. Even if you face the challenges, even if you face problems in your life, even if you feel that you are alone, no need to worry, my dear friends. Because one day, when you will achieve the goal which you have decided for yourself, the people who are against you will be standing with you. The people once who questioned your intention will be with you. So my dear friends, be motivated, keep working for your goals, be happy and come out victorious. Thank you.